In the previous video, we learned how to apply the same section of a texture map to both sides of a pillow, using the Unwrap method on a pillow model exported from Sweet Home 3D. In this video, we'll take it a step further. We'll unstitch the pillow and sew on a brand new fabric, giving us full control over how the fabric appears on both sides. We activate the Move tool and lift the pillow into the air. This gives us a clear view of it without any part being hidden inside the couch. With the pillow selected, go to the Data Properties tab and expand the UV Maps section. Select the existing UV map and click the minus button to remove it. This clears the original UV unwrapping done by the previous author, allowing us to start fresh with unwrapping the pillow ourselves. We start by clicking on the UV Editing tab. In the 3D viewport, we go to the Select menu and choose All. Then, we press the Del key on the numeric keypad to center the view on the pillow. As we saw in the previous video, in the UV menu we select UV Unwrap. But the UV map on UV Editing window and its result on the 3D view is quite disappointing. In the 3D view, we open the Face menu and select Tris to Quads to simplify the mesh topology. To deselect the pillow's faces, we simply click anywhere outside the mesh. Now, we switch the selection mode to Edge Select. Holding down the Alt key, we click on an edge along the seam where the two sides of the fabric meet. As we can see from the orange highlight, all connected edges have been selected, except for the ones on the lower right side. To include the remaining edges along the border, we hold Shift and select them manually, using the Rotate and Move view gizmos to help us navigate around the model. Next, in the UV menu, select Mark Seam. When you click outside the pillow, you'll see a red line appear, dividing the two sides of the pillow. It's like we've taken scissors and cut the fabric into two separate pieces. Once again, in the Select menu, we choose All. Then, in the UV menu, we select Unwrap. In the UV editor, you'll notice that both sides are unwrapped but appear in different areas. Since it's difficult to select one side because they overlap, in the UV menu, we use the Pack Islands option in the UV editing window. We set the margin to 0.2 and press OK. Now, the two sides are neatly separated and clearly visible in the editor. By pressing and holding the Select tool, we choose the lasso selection. Next, we adjust the view using the Zoom and Move gizmos. Then, carefully using the left mouse button, we select one side of the UV map. After that, we activate the Transform tool to adjust the selected side to fit the texture area, as demonstrated in the previous video. You can see the result clearly in the 3D view window. In the 3D view, we rotate the camera to see the opposite side of the model. Then, in the UV editing window, go to the Select menu and choose Invert to select the other side of the UV map. Using the Transform tool, we rotate and scale the selection to fit perfectly over the text area. Now, the text appears correctly oriented on both sides of the model. If you move the UV map again, you can select a different area on the other side. In the next videos, we'll be tackling something we easily mastered in Sweet Home 3D, replacing the tiles. Make sure to stay tuned.